Hello friends, welcome back to Timon Marak vlog channel. My name is Timon Phanto Marak. So guys, are you nature lover? I'm really love nature. Today weather is very pleasant, very calm wind is blowing, and I love watching these small fish swimming in this paddy field, beautiful butterflies, sound of crickets, creeping sound, frog croaking and bird chirping. Wow, so wonderful. This kind of happiness you will not get from anywhere. The happiness that you get from the nature, I really love. And sometimes I love to spend my time alone here. Friends, I really love spending my time in the lap of nature. And sometimes whenever I am very sad, when I am very stressed, I came here sitting alone. When I'm looking around at this beautiful nature, forest, I forgot everything about my sadness, stress, everything, and it gives me refresh. Really feel fresh here. Then it feel like the forest giving me medicine, and then suddenly all the stress and painful go away, and then it will refresh my mind suddenly. Nature give me really joyful and happiness. Looking around in this beautiful evergreen forest give me different kind of happiness, far away from hustle and bustle of city life. No noise pollution, only nature, really fresh and very it refreshing me always. And as we all know that one day we will die, and we are growing day by day, year by year we are changing. These forests are still remain same but decreasing, and one day I don't know, one day it will remain or not, but the memories which I spend in this beautiful nature always remain with me, remain forever. As we all know, my friends, population is increasing day by day, and this forest getting decreasing because there is no more space for the people, and then they settle down in some of the forests, cutting down trees. So it's a natural what to do, but it feels sad for me because these beautiful forests are now slowly decreasing, diminishing. So I don't know what will happen in the future, but this happiness and joyful you will not get from anywhere. So my friends, I love spending time in the life of nature. So my friends, I just want to say that let's protect our nature, grow more trees and save nature for the future. We depend on nature, nature depend on us, so it's like a independent, and many animals as well all are dependent on nature and human beings. So I would like to say, don't kill these beautiful birds or any animal. Live and let live. Please save nature, save environment.